As life goes on, investing in stocks, real estate, crypto, it's all risky. Keeping your account always in the green seems to be impossible, and for the few moments of euphoria you get when your account rushes into the green first thing in the morning, can't be recreated with anything else. But the devastating loss of the red days hurts so bad that you don't even want to share it with your closest friends and family. So let's try to get rid of them. Hey guys, it's Kyle, and today we're going to be talking about how to make as much money as possible and make the perfect portfolio so you can never have a red day ever again. Now, red days are ultimately inevitable. You can't ever get rid of them completely, especially in the stock market and real estate and what we're looking like right now. But what we can do is minimize it as much as possible. What a lot of you guys are used to is the 60-40 rule, which is 60% goes into stocks and 40% goes into bonds. But as bonds have been decreasing in how much profit they give you and their value, and stocks haven't been making as much money as people want, that 60-40 rule isn't working out as much as people would like. Let's start our never die portfolio off with crypto, as crypto has been becoming increasingly important over the last year as people find new ways to implement it into their lives and everything that we do. Crypto has been an amazing space to make money. What you want to put in your portfolio is a top 5 or 10 cryptocurrencies, mainly based on market cap. Why is that? Is it because they're not as volatile and not as risky as some of the lower market cap ones? Now, a lot of their returns have already been squeezed out of them. You don't have the upside that you would with a small market cap, but it's going to be a lot safer and you're going to minimize the risk, and that's the whole point of this portfolio. And next, we have real estate to balance out this portfolio, and a lot of people just can't go and buy a house and invest in real estate just like that. So there's something that we created called a REIT. A REIT is pretty much just like an ETF of the S&P 500. It's just a bunch of houses and the real estate market all stuck into an ETF that you can invest in right now. With this REIT, you'll be covered over the entire US stock market, so in case anything goes up or down in one area, let's say Detroit drops to like $100,000 houses and Colorado goes up to $1 million houses, you'll be balanced out there and you'll stay right in the middle, or it'll trend up, usually on average. And next, we have stocks. You always want to have stocks in your portfolio because they're going to be the main driving point. Although stocks don't always go up like a bunch of people think. Since Corona has happened, a lot of people think that stocks have just been only going up and that's it. But that's simply not the case, and we want to minimize our downside as much as possible, considering that a lot of stocks have been dropping recently. So within these stocks, I have 4 different types of stock that's going to help keep your portfolio up in balance and never lose money. First of all, we have the US stocks, which is like big companies, big market caps like Tesla, Apple, Google. That's what's going to be in this US big cap. And then we also have international stocks for all over the world. You can find an ETF of this. And also, so we have dividends. Dividends are going to be a great way to, no matter how the stock is doing, you're going to keep pumping out dividends. Something like Coca-Cola, Walmart, Walgreens, Lowe's, these are all going to be great options for your dividend. But a lot of people just want to invest into an ETF and not have to do any work of searching for great companies and just get paid that 2, 3, 4% dividend every single year. An ETF for this is called VIG by Vanguard. It gives you about a 2 to 3% return every single year, and on average, it goes up quite a bit every single year. And that's really good because you don't want to just find a dividend stock that's going to give you 2 to 3% and that's it. You want to find one that's also going to be making you money at the same time. And finally, we have small market caps. Just in case none of this goes up as much as you want, we have small market caps to balance out everything. So if a small market cap goes up one time and big market caps go down, then we can have that balance and you won't lose as much money, or you might even make money. So you can buy most small caps just by looking at like some of the small caps and looking for companies you believe in and investing there, or you can invest in a broad market ETF of these small caps. I like TNA. Also with TNA, it gives you about a 6 to 8% yield with dividends, which is really good, and you might want to use that for your dividend portfolio. But TNA is a total ETF of all of the small caps in the US and how they're moving and how you can make money from them. Now, other things that you might not be able to add in just a portfolio is maybe stuff like ETFs or other types of investments that you think are a really good job of supporting your portfolio. those are going to be really good to put in there too, but I can't add those in here because you can't just buy them on Robinhood or stock trading, things like that. Anyways, I hope this helped you guys a lot. Check out my other videos, and if you want to see how to make all the money that you make last for generations, click on this video right here, and I'll see you guys over there.